This is going to be a series of updates on my fire alarm system. So as you guys know, if you watch the videos, I built a fire alarm system. Now, this is a lot different to the fire alarm system that I had originally built. It still has some of the same functions, so it has a test, a power switch to select what power source you want. And it has a couple of other things. It has a trouble silence for the trouble. It has this thing called no power. So basically, if the power goes out through a relay, that will activate, telling me that I need to come switch this over. Now, I decided to make an ATS, which is an automatic transfer switch, so that I don't have to use this anymore to switch over if the power goes out. So there's still the E-stop, which I'm yet to make alarmed. There's a key switch isolator and a silence switch there for these super loud obnoxious alarms that I have. So here, this is all you guys know, I believe. This is all you've seen, but there's a lot more. So here is a little indicator panel. So you have a trouble, there's going to be another one of these for the E-stop. You have a power light and a alarm light. Here we have a female IEC. So basically that comes in on some wires in here, which go into the panel, which is basically where you can plug in a battery backup. I'll explain that more later. Here is an amp meter and a voltmeter. In here is some relays, and this just says that there's an ATS in use that may change without notice. And yeah, in here is one of the relays for the ATS. Here is more relays for the ATS that says the same thing as on this one. Basically, I'm going to open this up and show you the inside, because these are just going to be updates on this system. So I might actually do videos on me building it, but I'm not sure. If I do, I'll probably post them later. So let me just open all this up, and then yeah, you can see that I have everything the lid taken off. Here I have the other thing for the ATS, and up here is the inside. So see how it's all different colors? I actually want to color code it, so I have black and red for the power, and then I'm going to get yellow and orange for alarm and trouble. So it's the same as last time you saw it, really, except it has one more buzzer, which is for the power out. So it's the exact same as it was, except for the fact that the power connector goes through, well, it's yet to go through this wire, which goes into this conduit down here. Now, I'm not going to open these, because it's really simple. It's just wires, positive and negative, going to these. Here, again, really simple, just two wires going to each of these. In here is where some of the relays are. So I actually took out one of the relays to use for the ATS, because I wanted to get that done. I'll show you that in a second. So there should usually be a relay here, but it's been taken out. So I'm going to get another one soon. Yeah, double pole, double throw relay. It's a special relay that mounts on a DIN rail, because it's a double pole, double throw. I have a video on that. I'll link all the videos I've done on like relays and my fire alarm system and latching relays and double pole, double throw relays and that sort of stuff in the description, so go check that out. Here, another two relays. So here's the one that's usually in here. So in here is some 3-core wire coming in, and that actually goes into this conduit, runs along here, and then down into this cable, which is going to be hooked up to the battery backup source. So basically, these two relays isolate the battery from the main system. This relay isolates the main power source from the system when it's unplugged. So because the 12-volt adapter that I use is a special adapter, it's from like an older internet sort of thing. So if you didn't know, they don't like to shut down randomly, so they slowly shut them down, and so that kind of loses its power gradually after it's been taken off the power source. So that's what this relay is for, so that it disconnects and then will connect the batteries. So yeah, that's the ATS side of things, and you see how it's all color-coded. Again, that's what I want to do for the whole system in here. So I need to get 2 more colors. So I'll run you through the whole thing again. So here is the alarm buzzer, the power out buzzer, trouble buzzer, output for pull stations, input for pull stations, main power jack down here, wires coming in from the relays and stuff. And the system used to just run on, I have one right here, I just get it. So it used to run on latching buttons. So like this, you press it, it turns on, press it, it turns off. But momentary buttons is you press it, it turns on, and then as soon as you let go, it will turn off. So I switched to using them, so I need a latching relay circuit. So that is what one of these relays is for. So yeah, that's everything in that panel. So then, obviously, these are just indicators and stuff. So let's say, I'm not exactly sure which one these will go to. But this one, let's say, is the latching relay circuit. This one, let's say, is the alarm silent circuit. And then this one will be the power out circuit. So there's actually a battery holder up here for the battery that powers the alarm. So yeah, that is basically the update number 1. So comment down below if you like this sort of stuff. If you think that you like these updates. So probably like every now and then, maybe like every week or 2, I'll do an update on how it's going and stuff. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below if you like to see more of this. Comment down below as well if you want to see if you want me to do like building videos on this. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next update or video. Thanks for watching.